So it's Christmas time and you've bought the complete air fryer cooking guide, your ultimate guide to the time and temps for the air fryer. But how are you actually going to use it this Christmas time? So let me share with you how we're going to actually use it. So first of all, as you know, it teaches you when to flip, shake and spray your food. But what actual food can you be cooking with it this Christmas? Well, let's start with breakfast, shall we? What have you got planned for your Christmas breakfast? Normally in our house, it involves bacon and sausage sandwiches. So of course, this includes the time and temps for bagels, bacon, baked beans, black pudding, even cheese toasties, cinnamon roll, croissants. So what's your choice of breakfast? Crumpets, a different style of eggs, the pan au chocolate if you're warming some of those up. Or like I was saying with us, the part-baked bread rolls are going to be used for our sandwiches. Or maybe you're just going to give the kids a Pop-Tart because every kid loves those, don't they? And they're just a brilliant example. And then you go into the poultry section, and in here we've got loads of different popular chicken recipes. And for example, what about cooking a whole chicken for your Christmas dinner? This includes a smaller sized, medium, spatchcock, and it also covers how to cook a whole chicken that you've stuffed with your stuffing. It's also got duck and poussin, or as they call it in the US, game hen, or what we're personally having for Christmas that we love for Christmas is 3-bird roast. So there's the time and temp for that as well. Turkey breast, a turkey crown, turkey thighs, which are brilliant for the smaller household because you can still get quite a lot of meat off that. Turkey steak if you're just cooking for one. And then you head into the beef chapter, and of course you can do your prime rib or your top side in the air fryer. And then we head into lamb. So you could do a boneless leg of lamb using this as well. We've also got in the pork section gammon or ham, which is also brilliant for Christmas. Or one of my all-time favourites on the Christmas dinner is the pigs in blankets. You've got pork loin, different sized sausages, stuffing balls. Or even for your party food, we've got the camembert in here as well. There's just so much choice for what you can do for Christmas. I just think this is perfect for Christmas. I must have had Christmas on the brain. But these are all everyday recipes as well that you would do. And then of course it also features reheating, so that leftover quiche. Or my personal favourite for showing you in this is actually the ready meals. Because if you're in the supermarket and you buy one of those ready-made cauliflower cheeses and you want to warm it up for your Christmas dinner, then you can use the time and temp from this. And then you've got turkey breast here. You can warm it up if you've prepped it the day before. Oh, and then you get into potatoes, and we've got all the different types from your baby, your Hasselback, your roast potatoes, potatoes and carrots. And then you've got a massive selection of veg to choose from. Broccoli, sprouts, carrots, cauliflower. You've also got other things as well, like some green beans, if you fancy some of those. And the list goes on and on. Parsnips are brilliant in the air fryer, and there's time for these. Some root vegetables, because they're in season. And then, of course, into frozen. I'm sure there's some frozen food you would love at Christmas, such as the Brussels sprouts, the baby carrots, the garlic bread to serve over the Christmas time, and so on. You've got such a brilliant list here. Or even some hash browns for your breakfast. And that is the air fryer cooking guide. I mean, isn't that absolutely brilliant for using at Christmas? So I can't wait to see yours sat on your fridge and you're grabbing it and thinking, right, I just want to know how long to cook these pigs in blankets that I'm doing for Christmas. So if you haven't got yourself a copy yet, simply search air fryer salmon dome and you can find the complete air fryer cooking guide. It retails at less than £5, so it's a brilliant price for something that's so handy and useful for your air fryer cooking.